Alright guys, today I'm gonna go and pick up some stuff that we need to install a catch can on the Q. Okay, so we're gonna be going to Summit Racing. Should take me like no more than 15 minutes to get there. So here we go. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. Alright guys, we just now made it here to Summit Racing. Alrighty, so they got what we needed. We ended up getting this is the catch can that I already had. We just got some fittings for it. I was trying to see if they had another bracket, but they don't seem to have another bracket. We'll probably just have to make our own. Do a little fabrication. We'll see. Probably get some aluminum sheet or something and make our own bracket. Then I got these hoses, some braided line hoses. Looks nice, it's gonna look nice. So, all right, now heading back to KO's house. What up, KO? What's up? Finally made it to KO's house. We're gonna let the car cool down. We're gonna go to where we going? Ace Hardware. All right. Ace Hardware.
This is the next one.
Alright, we got what we needed, and we got some paint, so we can go ahead and paint this. Back to the crib. Favorite beer, man. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I already took off the couplers. I already installed the blow-off valves on both sides, so they're nice and tight now. So the Z1 Motorsport couplers. So now I'm just running the vacuum lines. Make it shorter. Have enough space for all of this right here. You got plenty of space and room. So there you go. Bam. Oh. Done. Woo! Yep. It's hot. It tastes just like pickle, bro.
Hot pickle?
It's hot, yeah, hot pickles. Like the hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It tastes just like it, bro. Like the hot Cheetos with pickles. Yeah? Have you tried one?
No, I haven't.
Bro, it tastes like just like it, bro. Like taste. Have you ever had? Right? What do you think? Right? Just like it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we have now already cut the brackets to actually make the bracket, right? Cut them out already. This is what we're gonna go with as of right now. Kale went to go get the marker right quick so we can mark it in the bottom, so we can go ahead and weld it in the bottom. I'm gonna take off the catch can right quick, and then I'll just hold it in place right there, and then you can just mark it. Yeah, I think that'll do, bro.
All right. Unless you want to do this flush with that.
No, I think that'll be straight. Don't worry, it's gonna look nice after we're done. We still gotta just make little oval deals there. Cut that up. Cut a little bit here. And then right there. It'll look nice. We're gonna weld it next, right?
Yeah, I gotta make some gusset.
Cool. we're just mounting the actual catch can. And then we'll take off the fittings and then we'll run the lines. Alright, so now you just gotta remove the hose so we can put the braided one in. So we remove that one right here.
One right here on the PCB.
Okay, and then one down here. Okay, that one. All right, since this catch can was something that we just, you know, we had one laying around, and you know, we bought some lines and some fittings, you know, so we made our own. Now we're just trying to route it and make sure everything fits. So I think this is how we're gonna route it. So we're just gonna cut the line. I think it'll look nice. I think this is fine. Okay, you did it like that? I think that's fine. Yeah, so there it goes. We're gonna cut it from up there.
I'm throwing a little slack on it.
That'll work. Now we got the other one. So we're just gonna now make it look a little nice with some zip ties. How do you want it?
The only thing we could do.
The final product. And it looks nice, bro.
Turn it on.
Yeah.